Creatine is one of the most researched, yet the most misunderstood supplements out there. Think it's just another gym powder? Think again. In a few minutes, you'll know exactly what creatine is, how it fuels performance, the real benefits, how much to take, and why most of the scary rumors are just caps. Creatine is a natural compound stored in your muscles. During short, explosive efforts, like a heavy set of bench or a sprint, your body burns through ATP fast. Creatine helps regenerate that ATP so you can squeeze out extra reps, push heavier weight, and maintain power across your exercises. That's why beginners feel the difference quickly when they start taking it consistently. And creatine isn't just for bodybuilders. If your sport demands explosiveness, strength, or repeated bursts of power, think soccer, basketball, combat sports, track sprints, CrossFit, creatine helps. There's also growing evidence that it supports brain health and focus. In other words, if you train hard or want better performance and cognition, there's basically no good reason not to use it. Dosing is simple. For most guys, 3 to 5 grams per day is enough to keep your muscles saturated. Plenty of pros will periodize creatine with loading phases or drop phases, but for regular athletes and beginners, there's no need to cycle. If you have any kind of kidney diseases or any issues, talk to your doctor first. Otherwise, take 3 to 5 grams daily without any breaks, and there's nothing to worry about regarding health. Can't I just get creatine from food? You can, if you have an elephant-sized stomach. Red meat and fish contain creatine, but we're talking roughly 5 grams of creatine per kilogram in beef or salmon. Do the math. To hit 5 grams of creatine, you'd need around 1 to 1.5 kilograms or 2 to 3 pounds of beef or salmon, and the process of cooking lowers that number further. That's a mountain of food for one day. So yeah, the smarter move is taking 3 to 5 grams of creatine as a supplement. Same molecule, far easier, way cheaper. Worried about which type to buy? Unless you're a peak season, stage-ready competitor with a dialed sports science team, creatine monohydrate is more than enough. It's the most studied, the most reliable, and the most cost-effective form. Fancy forms with flashy labels won't beat monohydrate in head-to-head results for most people. Let's address the myths. Kidney damage? Not in healthy adults using standard doses. Consider this only if you already have a kidney-related disease. Hair loss? There's no solid evidence that creatine directly causes it. If someone's shedding, it's far more likely genetics or other compounds. And by compounds, I mean some anabolic steroids. Weight gain? That initial bump is intramuscular water, which is exactly what you want, because it means creatine is saturating your muscles and supporting performance. It's not fat. Creatine is a proven, low-cost, high-impact supplement for men's health and performance. Take 3 to 5 grams daily. Do your exercises, hydrate, and watch yourself succeed. If you're here for fitness, nutrition, and a legit glow-up, not just hype, stick around. Subscribe for more, and let's keep building this community together.